Scott Schiller from Team G503 and Ron Fitzpatrick Jeep Parts. Got a short little video for you here. This is just a little clip, but I had to show it to you because when you're building one of these vehicles, you get to a point where your engine's all been rebuilt and it's back in the chassis, and you're getting all excited to put it back together, and you want to get it started here for that very first time. So this is a video of me running it for the first time. Actually, I surprised myself and it actually fired over, and my wife, Sherry Ann Schiller, walked out in the garage because she heard the noise and then the smoke was burning off the manifolds. It's quite the scene. What I will do is I did film every step that I did up to the point where I could get a running engine, and I will put that together and show you that in a future video. But for now, let's hear that L134 Willys engine run. Okay, exciting time. This will be the first time that I've fired up the Willys MB 1943 Team G503 project, the L134 engine. I think I've got everything right. I filmed step by step how I got to this point with the engine to fire it up, just running it on the frame, on the chassis here. And let's give it a go because I'm pretty excited to show you this video. I'll put together something that explains each step, but I just got to get it going. So let's see if it'll go. You got a little bit of a backfire there, but it did run. So that's a positive sign. I'm pretty happy about that. It's going though.
It's smoking.
It's supposed to smoke.
Oh my gosh.
The paint's burning off the manifold. Don't get so excited. Let's do it again. The smoke kind of cleared away. Let's fire this up again. I'm sure there's going to be little adjustments that have to be made, but I got it started, and that is fantastic. Let's give that one more shot. That paint's going to burn right off there, ain't no doubt in my mind. It ran. It actually ran. I knew it would, but I didn't think it'd fire up that easily on the first shot there. It was pretty good there. We got to turn over and it fired up. Anyways, you saw the smoke blow off there, and a lot of guys have been asking me lately, they say, hey, when are we going to get back on this project? Well, we're back on the project. There was a fantastic trip to Normandy for the D-Day 75th anniversary, and I've done a lot more to the Jeep than what we've actually posted, just trying to get all the videos put together and everything out there so y'all can see it and follow along. If you'd like to follow along, we're doing a 1943 Willys MB. You can do so by subscribing to Team G503 at the bottom of the screen. And until next time, my friends, keep it safe and happy Jeeping.
Mad American.